So in this class, we are going to discuss the accounting treatment of goodwill various cases. So you can see the first case, when goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account. So students, for this case, we need to take the previous example. In the last class, we discussed about the compensation, how the compensation given to the sacrificing partner. Okay, so let's take the same example. Ajay and Vijay were partners. Their ratio was changed. So we calculated sacrificing ratio. While calculating sacrificing ratio, what we found? That Vijay was a gaining partner, whereas Ajay was a sacrificing partner. Their share was 1/10. Ajay's shares and Vijay's share was 1/10. One was sacrificing while the other was gaining. So the goodwill that time we took 1 lakh. So the compensation which Ajay would be getting was rupees 10,000. Yes, 1/10 part of 1 lakh was 10,000. So what the company needs to do in such type of cases, the company needs to pass a journal entry for that. So here, what is the first case? When goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account. So company will pass this journal entry, which is gaining partner's capital or current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital or current account. Here the term current account, I will tell you the use of this term later. Here we focus on only our journal entry. Okay, so here what is the entry? Gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. What does it mean? The gaining partner, we will take the amount from gaining partners account and will add this amount to sacrificing partners account. So in the previous question, who was the gaining partner? Yes, Vijay was the gaining partner and Ajay was the sacrificing partner. That means Vijay will compensate Ajay rupees 10,000. So we need to debit whose account? Gaining partner's account will be debited as he is paying the amount. So gaining partner's account will be debited and sacrificing partner's account will be credited as he is receiving the amount. So understood the concept? So what is the case? In case 1, when goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account, if it is written in the question, it is adjusted through partner's capital account, you need to pass this entry. And what is the entry? Gaining partner's capital or current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital or current account. How will you calculate the amount part? The total value of the goodwill multiplied by gain share we need to take, then we will get this compensation amount. Okay, now let's move to next case. Here we have case 2, when goodwill is raised and written off. Okay, so as you all know, goodwill is what kind of asset? It is an intangible asset. And what is the rule for asset? You have already studied in class 11. The rule for asset is increase in asset to be debited and decrease in asset to be credited. So here first we need to, the company will raise the amount of goodwill. Raise मतलब company increase कर रही है goodwill की value. So whenever the asset is increased, we need to debit the asset. Okay, so that's why in the first case the entry is goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Okay, बस ये concept याद रखना है. goodwill की value आप increase हो रही है, so it will be debited in the first case. Always remember that goodwill is your asset. Simple logic it is. Goodwill is your asset. Whenever asset is increased, raised means increased. If it is increased, it will be debited. So the first entry would be goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Whatever the value, the full value of goodwill you will write over here. And in which ratio you will distribute? Yes, in old profit sharing ratio. Whatever they have their old profit sharing ratio, in that ratio you need to credit the partners capital account. Suppose A and B are partners, their ratio is 2:1. So 2/3, 1/3, you will credit the account of partners. Okay, so that is the first entry. Now it is written here, written off. Raised entry we are done. Written off means to remove, to eliminate the amount of goodwill from the books. Okay, written off means to eliminate the amount. So that means decrease the value. The value of asset has been decreased. So you know the value of asset is decreased means it will be credited. Asset जब increase होता है हम debit करते हैं, आपका asset decrease हो रहा है तो क्या होगा? Obviously it will be credited. So when you are crediting goodwill account, which account will be debited? Yes, partners capital account will be debited. So second entry will be partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Here in which ratio you will distribute the amount? In new profit sharing ratio. Okay, understood? When goodwill is raised, it will be debited and partners account will be credited in old profit sharing ratio, and when goodwill is written off, it will be credited in new profit sharing ratio.